Hello everyone, I'm Joy with Unexpected Atlanta, the city's #1 rated tour and attraction on TripAdvisor. Today we are talking about ways to honor Martin Luther King Jr. Day, which is near his birthday on January 15th every year. First established by Coretta Scott King, MLK Day is a way to give back, but also a way to remember the leader of the Civil Rights Movement. So we have Kristen over in the King Historic District in Atlanta to show you around a few of the important sites associated with Dr. King.
Hi, I'm Kristen with Unexpected Atlanta. Now we can't wait to meet you soon on one of our unique food or history walking tours. In the meantime, let's explore some of the best ways to honor MLK Day here in Atlanta. First, head to the Martin Luther King Jr. National Historical Park near downtown Atlanta. Operated by the National Park Service, this site is worth a visit whether you're an Atlanta local or a tourist. See the Children of Courage exhibit, which teaches kids about the Civil Rights Movement, and even have a stroll through the I Have a Dream World Peace Rose Garden. Also located on the park's grounds is the Martin Luther King Jr. Center for Nonviolent Social Change. Established in 1968 by Coretta Scott King, the King Center is both a memorial site and a nonprofit organization. Its educational and community programs serve hundreds of thousands of people every year. Here you can pay your respects at the tombs of Dr. and Mrs. King. An eternal flame is at the front of the tomb and represents the ongoing work in pursuit of justice, peace, and equality. With on-site parking, this historic park is accessible and meaningful, and it's a great place to honor Dr. King's legacy. Visit Martin Luther King Jr.'s birth home to see where it all began. This is where Dr. King was born in 1929 and spent the first 12 years of his life. The Queen Anne style house was purchased by MLK's grandparents in the early 1900s, and then after his assassination, it was restored as a historic museum. These days, you can come here for a free park ranger-led tour on select days. Now, tours are limited to small groups and first come, first served, but it is worth the wait to see this important landmark. Lastly, visit Atlanta's historic Ebenezer Baptist Church in the Sweet Auburn neighborhood. This is where MLK's father and grandfather pastored. It's also where the civil rights leader was baptized, ordained, and served as co-pastor with his father. Now, while the historic church is run by the National Park Service, the Horizon Church, located just across the street from the historic church and still active today, is referred to as America's Freedom Church. Ebenezer Baptist is still active today with regular worship services and member activities. The church also carries on social justice initiatives through the Martin Luther King Senior Community Resources Center. Now, each Sunday, visitors from around the world come to the New Horizons Sanctuary to take part in services. The Horizon Church shares that its doors are open to all who come, and you can also join services virtually from home. With so many civil rights landmarks, Atlanta is the perfect destination for MLK weekend or year-round. And you can see all of these historic landmarks on the King Historic District's tour with Unexpected Atlanta. This walking tour is a meaningful and exciting way to learn more about civil rights and Dr. King's life.
For even more ways to explore Atlanta's history, food, and culture, visit unexpectedatlanta.com. And be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to come along with us as we share the best ways to celebrate all things Atlanta. We'll see you there.